Good morning. This is Van with Level 8 Trading here on August 28th, 2026. Here to do pre-market today. Fairly benign readings all night long. We've had a little rally here at 7:30 like we do a lot of the time. Seems to be working its way back down. Let's take a look at this. Let's start with our key ranges chart as we always do. This is yesterday's auction here. There's yesterday's low, yesterday's high. We went up to it earlier here and made a pre-market high. Almost made it on ES. This is the ES chart, and this is NQ. Uh, you can see that the Globex point of control compared to yesterday's are right at the same spot. This 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 rally has caused us to have a bullish structure read though, based on these volume profiles. That's where we are right now in the pre-market. We'll get another read on that at 9:30 Eastern. Let's see. It's too early for ticks. We have some flat treasuries here, and we've actually, we're seeing on the CVD. We're seeing buying and selling right now, so it's pretty mixed picture. We did have an accumulation there. Nothing much to see on the MACDs. Let's go look at our longer time frames here. Here's the daily chart. We are operating between these levels we've been seeing since early August, and really they go back into early July. So we're in the same area here. We have a bullish daily structure in terms of those volume profiles, these daily volume profiles, but we're waiting for the weekly volume profile to turn bullish, to migrate upwards. So right now we do have a preliminary bullish structure if we wanted to do swing trades, things like that. Nothing to see there. There's a 4-hour chart. It's pretty choppy. That could mean good opportunity though. These are pretty big candles, and there's your hourly and half-hour charts. These are bullish structures. We have these 21s above these eights above 21, price above 21. So we're dealing with bullish structures as we speak right now. Coming over to our execution chart. There's GWAP. We're probably going to come back down to it again. This is all fairly benign. We're down 43 points, not very significant at all. And there's our levels that we mark on this chart as well. Here are the treasuries. They are moving down more. That makes them more bearish. The Dow and ES are up slightly. NQ is down slightly, and that's where we stand there. VIX has become really subdued. This is getting to be, a low reading here from where that brings down our volatility. It'll bring down your options prices, which when we trade butterflies, that can be helpful to us. Well, same range, 80, 82, 83 every day. Same thing there. We don't have information on some of the stuff. Obviously, we don't have Mag 7. We don't have our sectors. If we wanted to go look at gamma exposure, look at the uh, level 8 model for that. Let's go ahead and get that up. I don't know that I ever closed it. Put market intelligence here. Here we go. I know we have very subdued. This was updated 8:15. This is the neutral week gamma. We're seeing the price is the price action is confirming this right now. If we look at our chart, there's a flip point up here at 77.42. Our implied gamma or implied SPX right now, 77.36 here. So, we're below that, but it doesn't mean that there's going to be some tremendous sudden change there. Uh, these flip points, people need to understand this is where we might see a material change in hedging, but we're already slightly positive. So it might just get a little bit worse, meaning they may tighten up the ranges that they allow before they start selling, but they start compressing price. They buy low, sell high with their algorithms. I'm talking about the options dealers here. We have call and put walls that can act as support and resistance. We can keep track of those as the day goes on. With the website here, this is under development. We'll have some live stuff on this pretty soon. We're gonna look at our playbook. Today we've got this Jackson Hole Symposium all day, where the movers and shakers gather and discuss the monetary policy. We've got the chairman of the Fed committee speaking at 10 o'clock. Consumer sentiment will come out at 10. Chicago Purchasing Managers Index will come out. These aren't high impact items. We're getting what was called a complacent sentiment on options, meaning there's not much to it. The volume is low. There's nothing in particular that's causing an imbalance that would say that we're bullish or have bullish or bearish sentiment. We'll get bull and bear triggers based on the key ranges chart we were looking at. So there will be, as we move through different levels. Right now, I'm only showing these points of control, but we have value area highs and lows also. And as we move through those, there'll be different triggers, and we'll be watching those as the day goes on. And that's a quick rundown, guys. You're obviously watching this on YouTube. If you like this content, please like and subscribe to it. You can go to level8trading.com and sign up to get into our Discord. You'll get the playbooks. Soon we'll have it to where we'll be emailing the playbooks out. If you just leave your email address, that's all free, and you can spend some complimentary time in the room with us and see how we solve this puzzle every day. And I'll be back Monday for another pre-market.